Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions I get asked about Windows 10 is a simple question. Is Microsoft abandoning Windows 10? There is no communications off of Microsoft. So what's going on with Windows 10 at this point is that we don't exactly know what they plan to do. But most are in agreement that with Windows 11 getting a lot of the attention now, it would seem that the Windows 10 operating system is going to be, more relaxed and will, I think, for those in Windows 10 actually, be the operating system of choice without having to be pushed with big updates and, only the regular Patch Tuesday security updates like we'll have tomorrow, July 13th, and the bug fixes in the third and fourth week of the month are going to be what's going to happen in Windows 10 now. And I think that's fine. Why not? Do we really need anything else? A lot of you are also asking. We talked about how the Microsoft Store is getting a new look and a new feel in Windows 11. We know that there's a lot of core apps that are actually completely redesigned in Windows 11. So a lot of you are kind of thinking, is that new design? Are there new changes coming to Windows 10? We don't know if these apps will make it to Windows 10, and honestly, I would expect that Windows 11 will have its own updated apps. Windows 10 might still have the older style apps. Windows 11 does have the new store, which is different, and will have, the famous Amazon App Store for Android apps. So that's not coming to Windows 10 for sure. There's a lot of things like that that will be unique to Windows 11. So all the core apps, when people are asking, are these going to be updated in Windows 10? Is some of the feel and look of Windows 11 coming to Windows 10? I doubt it, because that would, if you bring the same feel, the same look to Windows 10, why make Windows 11 since you have it on Windows 10? So that's the other thing that's happening here, is if they bring all of that to Windows 10, there would be no reason to go to Windows 11 for most people, and that would mean, why do we go and update and get there, So I think that's the thing, that we're going to stay with the same look and feel of, the settings app and the way things work in Windows 10, and we'll stay with the same settings app. All of that is not going to be modernized with the same types of changes that are coming to Windows 11. And that's fine, because, it's going to actually make the Windows operating system probably more stable, because we won't have to deal with, completely new and completely changed settings and options within Windows 10. So I don't think that's going to be a problem, or, I think it's fine that it stays like this. The other thing also, some of you have been, I've seen the option that there's apparently a switch in the latest version of the Canary Edge version. There's a switch, there's flags that have appeared that seem to deal with the fact that they might have options available through Windows 11 that are not in Windows 10. It's possible, if Windows 11 has some new features, it's possible that the Edge browser will want to take advantage of some of these new features also, even maybe have a brand new feel, a brand new look. I wouldn't be surprised of a redesign of Edge for Windows 11 also, so that everything looks more modern, technically. So these are all things that, yes, are going to move forward to Windows 11, but honestly, I have no problem with that, that Windows 10 stays the way it is. We're going to make videos. We're going to continue making videos of Windows 10 here. And we're just going to deal with the fact that, it is the way it is. And this is how things look. This is how things feel. And, anybody that is, because when there's big changes or a lot of changes, there's a lot of people that are uncomfortable with those changes. Well, you won't have to deal with that if Windows 10 stays pretty much the way it is. And we know that 21H2 this fall is going to be a thing for Windows 10, but we know that it's probably not going to bring much changes. And so, it's okay. You guys will be on a very stable version of Windows that will work great and continue on working for the next 4 years. Why, if you like it the way it is, if you're happy the way it is, why make big changes when there's actually a new version of Windows that will handle all those changes over time? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.